Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation on how Blue Nest Home can help you sell your home faster. My name is Sheila Perreault, and I began Blue Nest Home in 2014, providing personal organizing assistance to clients within Kitsap County. Today, we have more than 12 employees, and our organizing services include estate sale management, personal organization services, hoard clearouts, move management, and waste management. Our service area has grown to include Kitsap County and surrounding areas such as Mason County, Jefferson, and parts of Pierce and Kitsap County. Today, I'm going to dive in a little bit more and explain our online estate sale services. In 28 days or less, we can have your home cleaned out and ready for the market. Through our proven technique, on average, we sell 94 to 96% of the inventory of your home. Anything that does not sell, we donate. If it cannot be donated, we recycle. If it cannot be recycled, finally, we make sure it gets to the correct waste management facility. Managing contents of a home can be overwhelming, whether a client is someone who has decided to downsize, or if it is a family member that is responsible for clearing out the home of a loved one after they've passed away. In almost every situation, the real value is in the home and the property itself and not the stuff stored inside. Therefore, the more efficient we are in removing the contents and cleaning the home, the faster our client is able to see a return on their investment. There are essentially 6 steps to our online estate sale process. We provide every client with an in-home walkthrough consultation. This is our first step. This is where we meet you in the home to discuss your needs and expectations. It allows us to get to know each other, view your inventory, and discuss the best way to manage your project. Every home is different, and every client has specific needs that are unique to their situation. After we meet, I return to our home office that is located in Silverdale, and I put together an estimate with a proposed schedule. Your estimate will look very similar to this and will include a scope of service that details every service we provide. It is not an all or nothing package. You can pick and choose what services we handle. Our services are designed to focus on our client's return on investment. We do this by efficiently selling 94 to 96% of the entire inventory, manage the removal of all the items that were not sold to include waste management, and we thoroughly clean the home in 28 days or less. Clients can be as hands-on or as hands-off as they desire. Meeting the goals of our client is always top priority. What can we sell? Basically, we can sell everything. Anything in the home that can be reused by another person or that can be donated can be sold. This includes working or non-working items with motors such as car, boats, planes, and motorcycles, including the half-used cleaning supplies that are always underneath everybody's kitchen sink. We can sell those. There are a few items that we cannot sell, such as firearms and animal products that are acquired through sport, like deer antlers, taxidermy, and animal furs. If you do have those items, we do have the availability to refer clients to buyers that are able to buy these items for resale. Once you've decided you would like Blue Nest Home to handle your project is assigned a project lead. Your project lead and a team of Blue Nest Home organizers will come into the home, methodically sort and organize the items into lots. Each lot will be given a catalog number, is given a description, and photographed. Once the catalog has been completed, you have the availability to review the catalog. You can share additional information with us or request that something not be sold. Once you've okayed the catalog, it is published to the public for an online estate sale. Using robust marketing approach, the public may bid on individual lots. Once the auction closes, our team returns, meets the buyers, and ensure items are removed safely from your home. Following the buyer pickup day, if you have elected, we will remove any items that did not sell, and we will donate what we can, recycle, or send items to the appropriate waste management facility. We follow up with a deep clean of the home to include carpets and windows if that's a service you have selected. If you're wondering if your home is a good candidate for an online estate sale, it's never too early to call us. Timelines can be adjusted to meet your unique time frame. Often we are able to accommodate short timelines when needed. Our online estate sale process greatly reduces stress, allows our clients to regain personal time, and recoup some of the costs that's associated with clearing out a home in order to sell it. We are often referred by and work with real estate agents. If you are a real estate agent and have a client that may benefit from our services, please give us a call and we'll be happy to provide a consultation. We have a professional team standing by to assist you. We also have a growing list of clients and professionals ready to provide references. Let our team at Blue Nest Home take you from overwhelmed to listed in 28 days or less. No project is too small or too big. Our Blue Nest Home office is located in Silverdale, and we are here Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. to answer your calls. Thank you for spending time with me today. Let us know how we can help you.